Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install or use Kimi K3 on Cursor ID. So if I open this place Cursor, so by default this you can here Composer 2.5 that's selected. If you click on this drop down here models. So this all are available. Cursor clock. Okay, this is for upgrade. So I'm going to close this one. Again, opening this one. So if upgrade option that's come there, opening again, and here let's searching there Kimi. So here you can see Kimi or K3 and 2.7 that's come there. Select this and let's close this and again opening this cursor. So when I reopen here, you can get this composer that's selected. If I click this, here you can see Kimi K3 Max that's come there. So it's not free. Composer that's free and you can use, but Kimi K3 is not. So if I click this here, upgrade to Pro, that's required. If you do that, then you can use this Kimi K3. So 2.5 is the free, and for this you can see here. This is sorry, Cursor AI as it is there. So now if I double click this cursor again, there you can get the ID. So this is cursor ID. Okay, to get the Kimi K3, so here you need to click on this extension, search here Kimi. So Kimi code that's come there. Now by installing this, you can also get this or Kimi K3 inside the cursor ID. Okay, so this is now installing. So since Kimi K3 is not free, so that to use this, you need to do the upgradation. Okay, so this is the way we can use or install Kimi K3 on this cursor. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.